Step 1. Define your niche and audience. Choose a specific topic or niche for your podcast that aligns with your interests and expertise. Identify your target audience to tailor content that resonates with them. Step 2. Plan your podcast structure. Outline the format, frequency, and duration of your episodes. Plan engaging and valuable content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Step 3. Set up recording equipment and software. Invest in quality recording equipment, including a microphone and headphones. Choose recording and editing software such as Audacity or Adobe Audition. Step 4. Record and edit your episodes. Start recording episodes based on your planned content. Edit the episodes to enhance audio quality and remove any unnecessary elements. Step 5. Choose a podcast hosting platform. Select a podcast hosting platform like Libsyn, Podbean, or Anchor to host and distribute your episodes. Step 6. Submit to podcast directories. Submit your podcast to popular directories like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. Step 7. Build an online presence. Create a website or landing page for your podcast. Establish a presence on social media platforms to connect with your audience. Step 8. Monetize through sponsorships and ads. Reach out to potential sponsors or join podcast advertising networks. Include ad spots in your episodes and mention sponsors in a natural, engaging way. Step 9. Set up a listener support system. Explore platforms like Patreon to allow listeners to support your podcast through donations. Offer exclusive content or benefits to supporters. Step 10. Track analytics and refine strategy. Use analytics provided by your hosting platform to track listener demographics and engagement. Refine your content and monetization strategy based on audience feedback. Scene script. Step 1. Build a strong social media presence. Choose platforms where you have a significant and engaged following, such as Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Optimize your profiles with a clear bio, profile picture, and relevant links. Step 2. Identify your niche and audience. Define your niche or expertise to attract sponsored opportunities relevant to your content. Understand your audience demographics and interests. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Consistently produce high-quality and engaging content that showcases your personality and style. Develop a content calendar to maintain a regular posting schedule. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages from your followers. Foster a community by encouraging discussions and interactions. Step 5. Join influencer marketing platforms. Sign up for influencer marketing platforms that connect influencers with brands seeking collaborations such as Aspire IQ or Triaca. Step 6. Reach out to brands directly. Identify brands that align with your content and reach out to them with collaboration proposals. Showcase your engagement rates, demographics, and previous successful collaborations. Step 7. Disclose sponsored posts ethically. Clearly disclose sponsored content to your audience using hashtags like #ad or #sponsored. Build trust by being transparent about your partnerships. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a podcast and monetizing through sponsorships and ads, as well as getting paid for featuring sponsored posts on social